Hello, this is Miss Townsend, and welcome again to Math with Townsend. So I've been talking to my grade 9 students who are doing some analytic geometry questions, and I had an interesting question posted from someone named kevinucam about something I did in question number 2. So it was a pretty interesting question, and I think it's worth discussing in a short little video. So this was Kevin's question. I assume the name's Kevin. I don't know. And the question is, if you multiplied 1/3 and 11/3 both with 3, then shouldn't you multiply 8 with 3 two times to make it 72? So the moment in the video that Kevin is referring to is when I'm trying to solve for x in the equation that I've posted here. So if you remember from the video, my method for solving for x is to get rid of the fractions. And for me to get rid of the fractions, I'm going to multiply everything by 3. And again, in the video, that gave me 8 times 3 is 24. Here, multiplying by 3 just eliminates the denominator. Here, multiplying by 3 eliminates the denominator. So Kevin's question was saying, since I multiplied this term by 3 and this term by 3, I've multiplied by 3 twice. So how come I'm not doing 8 times 3 times 3? That's Kevin's question, as far as I understand it. So let's kind of, you know, go back to a fundamental situation, which is talking about balancing equations. So this equals sign tells me that this is an equation, and at all times equations have to be balanced. So what I've done, and let me erase kind of my quick math and show you in a different way how you could do this question. So when I multiply by 3, I could have said multiply the left by 3 and multiply the right by 3 and then proceeded to do my math. So here's the left of the equation and here's the right of the equation. So you'll notice that I multiplied the left by 3 once and the right by 3 once. And I'm not multiplying anything twice by 3. I'm multiplying once by 3. And let me show you that in a different way. Here is an equation kind of represented as a balance scale. So remember, the equal sign is your balance. So this equation might say something like 2 boxes equals 1 circle. I don't know, but it's a balanced equation because the scale's balanced. And if I decide to multiply the left by 3, then I have to multiply the right by 3. And visually, this is what would happen. 1, so there's the left by 3, so they've kind of disappeared. Let's see if I can find them all. So I started with 2 and now I have 6, and I have to balance that by multiplying the right by 3. So again, you only multiply the left by 3 and the right by 3. No one's multiplying twice. So again, this would become 24, this would become 1x, and this would become 11. So I hope that clears it up. Thank you for your question, Kevin. By all means, come and ask anyone in the math department for more help if you're still confused.